AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda is the serverless computing service by AWS. Serverless computing is a cloud computing execution model, in which the cloud provider runs the server, and dynamically manages the allocation of machine resources. You can focus on your core product and business logic, instead of responsibilities like operating system, access control, OS patching, provisioning, right-sizing, scaling, and availability. The platform manages these responsibilities for you. AWS Lambda lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. AWS Lambda executes your code only when needed, and scales automatically, from a few requests per day, to thousands per second. You pay only for the compute time you consume. There is no charge when your code is not running. With AWS Lambda, you can run code for virtually any type of application, or backend service, all with zero administration. Lambda is a high-scale, provision-free serverless compute offering based on functions. Lambda functions can be triggered by a variety of events that occur on AWS, or on supporting third-party services. They enable you to build reactive, event-driven systems. Lambda can be described as a type of serverless, function-as-a-service. It is one approach to building event-driven computing systems. It relies on functions as the unit of deployment and execution. In serverless FaaS model, no virtual machines or containers are present in the programming model, and the vendor provides provision-free scalability and built-in reliability. AWS Lambda automatically scales your application by running code in response to each trigger. Your code runs in parallel and processes each trigger individually, scaling precisely with the size of the workload.